Prosperity Coin is the world's first cryptocurrency designed to help create financial freedom for women entrepreneurs. In this video, you'll discover how Prosperity Coin works and how you can use it for fun and for free to support you on your own financial freedom journey, as well as how to use it to support women entrepreneurs from all over the world to create financial freedom if that's something that you want to do. In this context, financial freedom means that the income from your assets pays for your lifestyle. So you don't have to depend on your business, a job, a partner, the government, or anyone else for money. And you can make choices from a place of freedom and joy instead of debt and obligation. One of the reasons I'm so passionate about this is that there's an inherent gender bias in the financial planning industry, like in a lot of industries. 86% of financial advisors are men, and the typical big box financial advisor models don't take into account women's longer lifespans or differences in our career paths, incomes, and financial goals, which means that statistically, women end up with less money at retirement, but it has to last us longer. So while anyone can technically use Prosperity Coin, regardless of gender identity or lack thereof, we created Prosperity Coin in part to close the gap and make up for the fact that women aren't being served by our current financial planning industry. And if you're an entrepreneur, there's no ceiling on your income, but your income typically goes up and down, which makes traditional financial advice super frustrating. And you're constantly having to balance when to invest in your business and when to invest outside of your business, right? So how does Prosperity Coin work? Well, imagine an arcade. If you go to an arcade and you want to play video games like Pac-Man, or you want to play skee ball, you usually have to get some tokens, and then you can put those tokens into the machine and play the game. The token is what lets you participate in the arcade. When you play games, you get tickets, and then you can take your tickets up to the reward center and redeem them for prizes. In this arcade, the game we're playing is supporting women entrepreneurs to become financially free. And Prosperity Coin helps us do that in 5 ways. First of all, we're making crypto more accessible by creating a fun and easy way to dip your toe into the crypto world. Most of the women I work with are in their 50s and up and are not super comfortable with technology. So a lot of them look at all this blockchain and Web3 and crypto stuff and go, nope, too overwhelming. I don't know if any of that is legit. I'm out of here, right? But while this should not be taken as financial advice, I do strongly believe that the time has come where it makes sense to consider having a small bit of your investment portfolio in cryptocurrency. So with our community token, we'll be able to incentivize my community to work through their resistance to technology by doing things like offering free tokens as a reward that can be redeemed for prizes. And I'll create step-by-step systems and demo videos for how to do it so it's super easy. Once someone gets comfortable using our community token, that might give them the confidence to try investing a bit in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which could potentially grow their overall investment portfolio faster. The second way is through financial education. Most of us never learned much about personal finance, managing and investing money, or any of that at home or in school growing up. But increasing your financial education is super important if you want to create financial freedom. So one of the easiest ways to get Prosperity Coins is by engaging with our financial education content, like my free YouTube videos. And the prizes you can redeem your Prosperity Coins for in the Reward Center can also help you increase your financial education, like my little book of prosperity, or getting a ticket to my signature Financial Freedom 101 online event, where in just 3 days, you'll get the money systems and tools you need to be financially free forever. The third way is by providing you with ways to save money. So you can take money that you would have spent and invest that money instead. Ideally, in assets that give you passive income so you can become financially free more quickly. We have prizes in the official reward center, but we also have an online community where anyone can contribute prizes. So we're adding new and exciting prizes all the time. Let's say you would normally spend $25 on a big bag of coffee, but somebody surprises you by giving you a free bag. You just saved $25, right? Now, instead of just spending that money on something else, you can actually transfer it into your investment account so you can build wealth faster. Same thing if you're able to save money by redeeming prosperity coins for a prize that you normally would have had to pay money for. I do have my own brand of prosperity and coffee, by the way. So coffee is actually a prize that you could potentially redeem prosperity coins for. The fourth way we use prosperity coins to support financial freedom for women entrepreneurs is that some of the prizes are philanthropic. Pay it forward prizes, like providing microloans to women entrepreneurs in Asia, Africa, and South America, or providing scholarships for women entrepreneurs to attend Financial Freedom 101. So if this resonates with you, you can use some or all of your prosperity coins as part of your charitable giving or philanthropy to support other women entrepreneurs all over the world to create financial freedom. And then the fifth way is by boosting visibility for women business owners. Prosperity coins open up some really fun and creative ways to market your business and get free publicity so you can attract more clients. And then you can use some or all of that additional income to invest even more and build wealth even more quickly. For example, I mentioned that anyone in the community can contribute prizes that other prosperity coin holders can redeem their prosperity coins for, right? Why would you want to contribute a prize? This is a really cool marketing and visibility opportunity for your business. Imagine you go to a business networking event where you're allowed to contribute a prize to the raffle that they're going to do at the end of the event. Ideally, you want to contribute something that creates visibility for your business, right? For example, one of my VIP clients sells t-shirts with positive affirmations and messages on them. So she might raffle off one t-shirt, and that's basically a marketing expense for her. But now everyone participating in the raffle sees that prize, learns more about her business, and while only one person is going to win the prize in the raffle, some people might decide, you know what, I like that shirt. I'm just going to go ahead and buy one. Maybe that's for themselves. Maybe it's a gift for someone else, a friend or family member. Even the person that wins the t-shirt might decide to go buy more t-shirts from her, right? My point is, by participating in the raffle, she's getting more eyes on her business and on her offerings, right? If you're a coach or holistic practitioner, you might contribute a free session with you to the raffle. The person that wins might sign up for more coaching afterwards. The people that don't win might decide to just go ahead and hire you anyway. Same thing if you're an author, you could contribute your book and people might decide they just want to buy it, right? Prosperity Coin works exactly the same way. When you contribute a prize that people can redeem their prosperity coins for, that's an opportunity to boost visibility for your business and attract clients. I'll post a link in the description of this video that goes into more detail about this and shows you a step-by-step demo of how to contribute a prize in our online community. Another fun and creative way to use prosperity coins to market your business and attract more clients is by giving out prosperity coins as a reward to people who engage with your content and help promote your business. For example, right now I give out prosperity coins to people for watching, liking, and commenting on my YouTube videos. Just include your prosperity coin username in your comments so I know to do that. Same thing commenting on my blog posts or promoting my launches. Everyone who promotes one of my launches can get a certain amount of prosperity coins for each of their referrals that opts into my email list. And even more prosperity coins when one of their referrals registers for my event. I could even give prosperity coins for people liking and commenting on my Facebook or Instagram posts. And that would help boost visibility, right? Because just like with YouTube, the more people who like and comment on your stuff, the more the algorithm will show your stuff to more people. You can do exactly the same thing. Because even though I've gone through the initial learning curve and expense of getting prosperity coin created, it belongs to all of us now. and we can co-create together. So you can give prosperity coins as a bonus for signing up for your programs, a reward for engaging with your content or promoting your business. And you can get more prosperity coins by doing this for other women entrepreneurs, not only for my business, but for anyone else in the prosperity community that wants to do this, if it's a fit. Click the links in the description of this video for how to do all of this, including how to get prosperity coins and how to use them to promote your business. So now that you have a sense of how prosperity coin works and the 5 ways it helps women entrepreneurs to create financial freedom by 1, making crypto more fun and accessible, 2, providing financial education, 3, helping you save money that you can now free up to invest instead, 4, providing microloans and scholarships to women entrepreneurs, and 5, boosting visibility for women business owners so they can attract more clients and then hopefully invest more. Now, how do you get started? The best way to get started is to go to realprosperityinc.com/crypto or click that link in the description and then click the gold button and enter your first name and email to get on the Prosperity Coin priority notification list. This does not add you to the main email list for my financial coaching and seminar business. It just keeps you in the loop for anything new and interesting going on with Prosperity Coin, and you can click the link at the bottom of any email to unsubscribe if you want to. But when you join the priority notification list, you'll get an automatic email from me with a link to get 25 free Prosperity Coins to start your account, as long as supplies last. Then you can get more prosperity coins by engaging with my content, engaging with the content of other prosperity coin holders, contributing prizes to the community that members can redeem their prosperity coins for. When you join the priority notifications list, you'll also get the links to the official reward center, our online community, and short training videos on stuff like how to set up your account, how to get prosperity coins, what to do with them, how to use our online community, and more. Whether you decide to participate or not, I hope that you'll like and comment on this video to help us reach more women entrepreneurs with this message, and consider sharing this with other women entrepreneurs that you know and adore, because this is a fun and easy way you can support them to grow their business and create financial freedom. I'll include a short blurb in the description that you can copy and paste to make it easy to share if you want to do that. Thanks again for watching, and have an amazing day.